Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. My name is Paring Omak, and I will be one of your flight attendants today. Along with the rest of our professional cabin crew, it is our pleasure to take care of you during this flight. Before we depart, we kindly ask for your attention as we review a few important safety procedures. Please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened low across your lap. Your seat back is in the upright position and your tray table is fully stowed. All electronic devices should now be switched to flight mode. In the event of unexpected turbulence, we recommend that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened whenever possible. Our cabin crew will be moving through the cabin shortly to assist you and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention and for choosing to fly with us. We wish you a safe and comfortable flight.